This is what a writing sample for a dyslexic student might look like. Let's talk about some of the signs in this sample. The word does is often spelled D-O-S-E. That is because it is an irregularly spelled word that doesn't follow typical phonetic spelling patterns, and so it is a guessing game for them. Students with dyslexia have to be taught words that break those typical phonetic patterns in a way that makes sense to their brain, that attaches meaning and logic to it, so it's not just a random set of letters that really make no sense. You can see some directionality confusion in dogs versus dig. It is a 50-50 guess which way that B or D faces in a lot of dyslexic students. And directionality confusion doesn't always manifest with left to right confusion. It can also be up and down confusion with that B and P, or N and U, for instance. Even T and F can be confusing. And do you notice this silent E confusion? Here there is an E where there is not needed, and here there is not an E where it is needed. That's because they have no idea about the vowels, and silent E is just a complete mystery. They can probably tell you that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, but when you ask them what their long versus short sound are, it's a guess, and they probably have no idea what that E is at the end, why it is there, and why it affects the vowel sounds. The vowels are a mystery to a lot of dyslexic students, but it doesn't have to be that way. We must teach them how those vowels are affected by the other letters in the word. That is why in Learn Reading we teach the vowel placement strategy so that they know exactly what each vowel is going to say based on where it is in the word and the letters that surround it, so they can use their intelligence to figure out how to spell, not rely on memorization or guessing. These are smart kids. They just have to be taught how to spell.